Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. I have just a short video for you today. This is a swag that I made for my best friend. Her hands don't work so well now, so here we go. This is the swag when it was finished, so you can see what it's going to look like. So what she did was she got some Dusty Miller type picks from Walmart, and they're really sturdy on the stem. So what I did was I zip tied two together, and then I brought two in a little further and zip tied them together, and then zip tied it all together. Now I'm deciding, she gave me some flowers that she wanted to use. So just getting in there and fluffing it out a little bit. Put some more greenery down that's a little different color to give it some contrast. And I guess I didn't film it, or maybe I'm just laying it out to look at it. It's been a bit since I did it. There's magnolia on there and peony. Now I'm picking off some little ones that I had, and I'm going to add just a little bit different texture in there. It's like a baby's breath or something. Looking to see, I guess, if I can find something else. Wondering what I'm doing. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I must not have got the video where I put the flowers on. What I did was I just glued them with hot glue. But I do like the Gorilla sticks. Gorilla glue sticks. Okay, and there it is all done. It's best to use like odd numbers when you're doing flower arranging. Okay, here it is hanging up. And I just want to thank you all for coming and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it so much. And thank you for watching. Bye.